through her. Just seemed to skid on, got quick on Susie Bates and pegs back the leg stump. Breakthrough for the Australians.
The Bates just kind of dipped back in as well, and her beater all ends up, and Elise Perry, she delivers her first ball and she's able to pick up the first wicket as well, and it's the big one. Fans that have come out to watch.
Gone! Terrific catch, Healy. Had to go low to her right-hand side. And she supports her great mate. And that is a huge wicket for the Australians at the end of the 15th over.
Looked like she just rolled her fingers across. And Bates, who's so strong behind the wicket, just got it too fine. Healy moving well, anticipating well, catching it with the right hand and gloving it perfectly.
Oh, Nick, and gone. So the two big scalps are gone. Perry strikes.
At this time of the game, with the field back, really tried to work it. Didn't have the room. Good ball by Elise Perry.
Perry back into the attack. Knocked her on straight away.
May not with this low total, but she just keeps bowling the ball in the right areas. Not too full, just outside that off stump.
For a country. And that doesn't look like a great start. Oh, what a catch! What a catch from Rachel Haynes! Wow, that will take some beating for the catch of the summer. That was a fantastic effort. You're watching. Oh, that's a nick and gone. The Australians completely on top now.
Off her pads. Moved it across it. Took out her leg stump. Elise Perry, good areas. Amy Satterthwaite looks back at her stumps to see if it really did just happen.